simmering heat wave that's refusing to relent. The death toll is mounting. More than 500 people have been killed in blistering heat waves sweeping across the country. The most casualties have been reported from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. With the mercury climbing up, authorities have already issued a warning, asking people to stay indoors and take necessary precaution.
There is no respite from heatwave conditions across India. Over 530 people killed in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana alone. Death toll across India crossing 600 mark.
ज़्यादातर पानी पीते हैं, नींबू पानी पीते हैं और बटर मिल्क पीते हैं। धूप को हमको डायरेक्ट हटना पड़ता है गर्मी से, और ये गर्मी से बस पूरे फेल होते हैं रोड पे, तो ट्रैफिक जाम होने का चांसेस है। तो हीट बस रोकने की वजह से हम लोग ढकलना पड़ता है हमको बस के वास्ते।
These delicious watermelons seem to be the only respite as both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh record very high temperatures this summer. Let's get in a word from these people.
आजकल हैदराबाद में ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हो गया है, वेहिकुलर ट्रैफिक से ज़्यादा हीट भी हो रहा है।
ये लोग को सजेस्ट दे सकते, कुछ ऑलरेडी प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स भी कर रहे हैं, किधर की वो सनस्ट्रोक नहीं लगने का, जो वो लोग ऑलरेडी इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिए।
Sweltering heat claimed more than 40 lives in Odisha. In West Bengal, at least 6 people killed in the last 24 hours, including a taxi driver, was found dead in a cab in Kolkata.
People in West Bengal are trying to cope with the killing summer heat across the state. The temperature are soaring more than 40 degrees Celsius across the state, and that has left most of the people indoors. To talk about the Celsius, it does not expect to come down as far as next 3 days is concerned. The weatherman has predicted no rain. Sometimes there is a little bit of breeziness that keeps a respite. However, the humidity has been torturing everyone. कितना परेशान है आप इस गर्मी से, and what is the biggest problem now?
बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम है बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे गर्मी पड़ रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ रहा है, हम लोगों को हालत बिल्कुल खराब है।
Simmering heat disrupting normal life even in South India as temperature peaked to 41.6 degrees Celsius in Chennai.
Today's temperature is about 40 degrees Celsius, and the Met Department tells us that on an average the temperature every summer since 2003 has been about 40 to 43 degrees Celsius. The highest recorded was in 2003 when it was 45 degrees Celsius.
Delhi recorded its hottest day of the season as the temperature crossed 45 degrees mark.
दिल्ली और एनसीआर के इलाके हैं, यहाँ हीट वेव जैसी सिचुएशन बनी हुई है।
Scorching heat in North India is not expected to relent soon, as Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Bihar continue to reel under heatwave conditions. Bureau Report, India Today.